So getting settled for meditation and putting on your eye mask and closing your eyes. First, we'll be doing the unity breath. So imagine a place in nature that you know and love and find beautiful, a real place that you've actually been to so that you can imagine everything about it. One of your favorite places, and feel as if you are there right now. All of your senses engage. Feel what's beneath your feet. What do you hear in the distance? What are you seeing? What is the sensation against your skin? And just be in this place that you love. And feel the way that your heart starts to respond when you imagine that you are in this place. Feel the love that you have for this place. And feel the love that you have for all of nature. Feeling the love that you have for Mother Nature. Mother Earth, the living spirit of the earth who has given us everything that we have. And really feel this love in your heart, not just thinking about it, but there's a felt sense in the heart of warmth, affection for Mother Earth. And take all this love in your heart and place it into a small sphere. And then you're going to send this love from your heart down your prana tube into the earth, all the way to the center of the earth, to the heart of the mother. Send her your love. And then you simply open yourself to receive her love as she sends it back to you. And she always will, because she loves us so much. And you feel this love rise up into you from below. You just say yes to it and let this love in. Letting this love move up into all of your bodies, your physical body, your emotional body, your mental body, your spiritual and light body. And just let this love nourish you and feed you on every level. And feel yourself truly connected heart to heart with Mother Earth. And now, while keeping this flow of love going between you and Mother Earth, put your attention on a night sky and imagine and feel as if you are standing outside under the clear night sky. And you're looking up and you see the moon, the stars, the Milky Way stretched across the sky. Feel that sense of awe and wonder that you have when you look up at the sky. Feel the incredible depth of space. And feel the gratitude that you have for being alive. Feel the love that you have for all of creation, all life everywhere. Feeling the love that you have for Father Sky. And really feeling this love in your heart. And then take all of this love that you're feeling in your heart and place it into a small sphere. And then send this love from your heart up your prana tube, out the top of your head, and up into the heavens where Father Sky will feel and receive your love. Whether you're sending it to the sun, the grids around the earth, the great central sun, or just up into the heavens, Father Sky will feel and receive your love. And then you open yourself to receive his love as he sends it back to you, and he always will. And you let this love enter into you from above, moving down into your bodies, nourishing you. Just say yes and receive this love of Father Sky. And feel yourself connected heart to heart with Father Sky. And feel the connection with Mother Earth and Father Sky at the same time. Feel the love that Mother Earth and Father Sky have for each other. And also feel the love that you have for yourself. And this completes the holy trinity of love in the heart. And now we will make the journey down into the heart. So bring your awareness to your pineal chakra, to the center of your head, and feel as if your spirit center is oriented there, in the center of your brain, and feel the skull all around you. There's a feeling when you're surrounded by it. Moving all of your awareness, your consciousness, your spirit to the center of the head. And now beginning to make the journey down. First, moving down to the throat chakra. Maybe you're moving down a staircase or a glass elevator, or you're feeling your way down. But have the sense that your awareness and your consciousness and your vantage point are moving with you down to the throat chakra. Once at the throat chakra, stop and feel what this place feels like. It probably feels very different than being in the head. And then continue moving down into your chest area until you are behind your heart and you're looking at your heart in front of you. You may be seeing it, feeling it, or sensing it. Looking at your heart in front of you, look or feel for the crevice or the fold or the line at about the middle of the back of the heart. And in the middle of this fold, there is a small spinning vortex that usually appears as a dark or a light spot. Let your spirit center move toward this vortex. And when it gets close, this vortex will just pull you in. And you'll find yourself entering in the doorway at the back of the heart. You'll find yourself moving down a tube or a tunnel, traveling inward. And when you come to a stop, you will be in the sacred space of your heart. Once inside the sacred space of the heart, if it is dark, you can ask for there to be light. And tune into the frequency or the vibration that is everywhere in this place. And whether it's a sound or if it's just a feeling, if you can take that and translate it into sound, you can make this sound with your voice by humming it so that you can remember this sound to bring you back to the heart in an easy and efficient way in the future. The sacred space of the heart is a beautiful place to come in meditation when you want to be in your own energy or know or understand anything about yourself. But for today in this meditation, we're going to continue onward to the tiny space of the heart. So you can say, I am now going to begin to move, and I will keep moving until I find myself in the tiny space of my heart. And then you just begin to go and let yourself intuitively find your way there. You may also ask your higher self to lead the way, or a spirit animal. Once inside the tiny space of the heart, if it is dark, you can also ask for there to be light. And you can tune into the vibration or the frequency here, which usually has gone up to a higher octave than that in the sacred space. The tiny space of the heart is a beautiful place to come in meditation when you want to be in the unified field of everything and connected to all that is.